All right, news coming in this morning from the southern state of Karnataka. There's a Lokayukta raid happening at high-rank officers' houses and properties in Karnataka. Listen carefully. The Lokayukta officials conducted early morning raids across Karnataka, and the target and on agenda are several high-ranking officials. These are residents and properties of prominent figures, including Transport Department Joint Commissioner, Health Officer, Irrigation Inspector. Their properties have been raided. Under scrutiny are senior officials, even we are told retired senior officials as well, from different backgrounds and departments. This is very important. Authorities are conducting these detailed verifications at all locations. Lokayukta, also remember, deals specifically with corruption cases. What is the reason that, and this is concerning to say the least, residences of Transport Department Joint Commissioner, Health Officer, Irrigation Inspector are being raided? What is it that the Lokayukta has that's so concerning right now for Karnataka? Sagai Raj is joining me for the latest on that. Sagai, good morning. Tell us more. Why these senior ranking officials, their houses, properties, residences? What does the Lokayukta believe they have as a chain trail?
Good morning, Pooja. In fact, they have leads when it comes to these kind of raids, because these are raids conducted simultaneously across the state. They have collected enough leads and enough information of the properties as well as the wealth of all these officers. And as you rightly pointed out, the raids have been conducted on high rank as well as lower rank officers as well. If you notice, Joint Commissioner of Transport and even the retired RTO officer S. Raju has been raided, and this has been done in 8 districts in Raichur, Ballari, Gadag, Tumkur, Belagavi, Bidar, Chikmagalur and Bengaluru city. Probably as the raid progresses, we'll get more information on the recoveries and whatever the documents that the Lokayukta officers as well as the police will recover from this particular raids.
Right, keep tracking the latest on that. Remember, it's very concerning. These are important departments for Karnataka, for Karnataka government, for Karnataka's people. And then it appears, does Lokayukta have something with regard to alleged corruption charges against these officials?